Hey everyone, good morning. So today I will be walking you through the how we can use the alumni verification portal powered by the Spring Verify. So this is the URL you will be getting from your specific HR. So in this case, we are using the Anwar Institutions company. So if you are just click on the like you can if you are accessing this portal, you need to sign up initially, and if you have already accessed and signed up, then just click on the login button. Then we need to provide the valid credentials, and once you provide the valid credentials, just click on the submit button, and then you will be redirecting to the alumni verification portal. Here we can retrieve the alumni records either by providing the staff id or without the staff id. Like let's say, like if you want to retrieve the specific ex-employee candidates records, and the ex-employee doesn't have the staff id, then simply you need to select this radio button, and you need to like contact the specific email id, and our Spring Verify team, they will be giving the response to you through the email, or else like if you have the staff id, then you have to provide the staff id, employee name, and the new employer name. So once you provide the all these details, I will show you for the demo purpose. I will show you for one record. This is the candidate name. Sorry, my bad. This is the staff ID, and Emily Johnson is the employee name. And since you are accessing this candidate, let's say your company is Smile India Trust. This is the new employer name, and we need to provide the uh, valid consent to access the any any candidate records. Just give you, yeah, if you are like if the consent letter is not appropriate, then like uh, you can re-upload with the valid consent, or else like you can uh, like ignore and proceed. If you ignore and proceed, our Spring Verify team will be contacting with you, and you need to select the checkbox, and then yeah, here you will be having the payment method. If your wallet is already having the sufficient wallet balance, then use this one, or else if you want to pay with the razor pay, you can click on the pay, and you can generate the razor pay and make a payment. Yeah, it's payment is successful. Yeah, yeah, since your consent is not appropriate, it will be reviewing by the team, and they will reach out to you. And once you close the model, you will be like having the two options here. Either you want to continue with the new verification, or else like you can click on the records and you can access the records. So this is the like alumni record that we just verified. This is the company name, and this is your company name, new employer name, and whatever the amount we make, we can see the amount here. And if you want to see the reports, we can access the reports, and we can view the invoice also. We can download the invoice from here. And I will be back, I will like I'll tell you this one in a time. So like you can go to the wallet balance. So here like you can recharge the your wallet. You can simply just, these are the pre-filled amount. You can click any of the buttons, and you can like do the recharge, and you can see the all your transaction logs here. And this is your team. You can add the new user to your team, and you can you can add their name, designation, role, email ID, phone number, all those things you can add. And you can add the user to your portal. So this is your company name. And when we come back to the verify now, so these are the company cards, we can say. So we do any whenever we perform any alumni verification, the specific company card will display here. So as of now, this Smile India Trust performed alumni verification from all these companies. That's why we are showing all these company cards here. You can check the any company legal name and their logo. All these details you can check, and you can just click on the verify alumni button, and you can access the company alumni records. That's all, team. Thank you.